Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A lot of times we tend to collect a lot of products for our skincare regime, thinking that we'll use one product after the other and somehow we'll inculcate all of these products in our regime and get the skin of our dreams. But that does not happen because we do not use the products in the right sequence, in the right method. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys the correct skincare routine, like the steps that you should follow one by one for good skin. If you're interested in knowing the right skincare routine, keep watching, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, this video is in association with Foxy app. I'm going to leave the links in the description box down below, so don't forget to check them out. And now let's get started. So the very first thing, the very first step in any skincare regime is cleanser. You should use a nice cleansing foam. The one that I'm using is the Lotus Herbals White Glow 3-in-1 Deep Cleansing Facial Foam. Using a good cleanser will remove any excess dirt, any excess oil and any leftover makeup from your face and give you a clean canvas that you can work upon. So the very first thing is to cleanse your face properly. Next, and a very important step, is to use a scrub or an exfoliator. The one that I'm using currently is the Khadi Natural Herbal Exfoliating Facial Scrub. This has rose and apricot and walnuts. A scrub is a very important part of your routine, and it should be used at least 1 to 2 times a week. And after you've cleansed your face, take a little bit of the scrub onto your palm and massage it on your face. Don't be too vigorous over here. You just want gentle scrubbing action on your skin, and this will help remove any dead skin cells from your skin surface, so that whatever products you apply next are definitely getting absorbed properly. After scrubbing, a very important step for those with very oily skin is to use an astringent or a toner. I have dry skin at the moment, so I have not been using a toner, but if you have oily skin, by all means use a good toner, which will help remove any extra oil and any extra impurities from your skin which may be left behind even after scrubbing. The next step, and a part of my night skincare regime, I don't do this step during the day, but this is for the night, and this is the Tijori Overnight Skin Transforming Face Serum. This is a very potent face serum, and you need just like a drop or two of this. Once you cleansed your face, take a few drops of the serum onto your, just directly drop it onto your skin, or take it on your palm and tap your palms together, then tap it on your face. This really hydrates your skin very deeply from within, and while you're sleeping through the night, this is going to hydrate and moisturize your skin. And serums are known to fight signs of aging, so a serum is really important. During the day, if you want to use a serum, use a very watery serum, something which is not going to give you sticky skin, but a serum at night is really important in my opinion. The next step, and a mandatory step during the daytime at least, is a sunscreen or a sunblock. The one that I'm using is the Lotus Herbals Safe Sun Ultra Protect Sunblock, and this it has a little tint also. It gives you protection against UVA and UVB rays. It has anti-aging and anti-tanning properties, SPF of 100 and PA+++. So this is a very it is a very potent sunblock. It basically blocks sun rays coming onto your skin. These days, yes, we are staying indoors a lot, and the sun exposure is really limited, but even indoors you are exposed to a lot of UVA and UVB rays coming out from your mobile screens, from the televisions, from your laptops. All of these things, they do emit radiation, so it is really important to protect your skin even while you're staying indoors, and a sunscreen or a sunblock is a very important step towards that goal. Another important product is a good moisturizer, especially at night. I like to use the Kiko Milano Smart Hydra Shot Cream. This is a very gel-like moisturizer. It really suits my skin. I don't like those very heavy creams sitting on your skin. I don't like that tacky, sticky feeling. So I want something which gets absorbed instantly but doesn't leave any stickiness behind. And a good moisturizer, a light moisturizer, is a very important step, and something that I never miss, even if I miss any steps any other steps that I've already detailed previously. Now the skin under our eyes and around our eyes is really delicate, and you need an extra moisturizer or something to take care of your skin under the eyes, around the eyes. So I'm using the Kaya brightening and firming eye serum at night. This is something which, you know, moisturizes this delicate skin around my eyes and makes them feel rested. Last but not the least, the good old Vaseline or any good lip balm that you're using. Taking care of the skin on your lips is also really important, because nobody wants dry, dehydrated, chapped lips. So make use of a good lip balm or just use Vaseline and you're good to go. So that was it, guys. This was the correct routine that you should follow for glowing skin, for skin that has been taken care of, because nobody wants dull looking skin even after you've invested in expensive products. So you have all the products, but you should also know when and how to use them and in what routine you should apply the product. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye, stay home and stay safe.